The Maextro S800 has quickly become one of the most talked about luxury sedans in China, especially after its dramatic suspension comparison against the Mercedes Maybach S Class. In the widely shared test, both vehicles drive over uneven surfaces filled with water, sand, and rough obstacles designed to highlight body control and ride comfort. What makes the clip so compelling is not just the challenge itself, but how differently the two cars appear to respond. The Maextro S800 seems to glide across the surface with minimal splash and very little visible body movement. The cabin remains composed, and the vehicle looks planted and controlled. This behavior is largely credited to its advanced active suspension system and integrated digital chassis control, which constantly adjusts damping and body motion in real time. By contrast, the Maybach S Class, long considered a benchmark in luxury ride comfort, shows more visible vertical movement and surface disturbance in the same scenario. However, it is important to view the comparison with balance. Promotional tests can favor one vehicle depending on speed, setup, and conditions. Even so, the S800 technology, including its advanced rear-wheel steering and intelligent chassis management, signals how rapidly Chinese luxury engineering is evolving. For buyers who once viewed European flagships as untouchable, this comparison raises an interesting question. Has the balance of power in ultra-luxury ride comfort started to shift?